In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage ElevenLabs email notifications. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's dive right in. The first step is to log into your ElevenLabs account. Go ahead and type in your credentials and get yourself signed in. Once you're logged in, look up to the top right corner of your screen. You should see your profile icon sitting there waiting for you. Click on that icon, and from the drop-down menu, select the Settings option. Now you're in the Settings page. If you scroll down a little, you'll find a section called Comment Notifications. This is where you can manage all your preferences regarding notifications about comments on your work. Now that you've located the Comment Notifications section, the next step is to find and click the Manage Notifications button. This will bring up a pop-up window that shows you different options regarding your notifications. Here, you can toggle various notification preferences on or off. This might include notifications for studio projects, comments, or any other relevant updates that could clutter your inbox. Take a moment to go through these settings and uncheck any boxes for notifications you don't want to receive. It's all about tailoring your experience and making sure you only get the emails that matter to you. Once you've made all the adjustments to your preferences and you feel satisfied with what you've set, it's time to finalize everything. Look for the Close button on that pop-up window and click it. This will save your new preferences so you won't have to worry about receiving unnecessary notifications in the future. And there you have it. Managing your ElevenLabs email notifications is as simple as that. Remember, the goal here is to create a streamlined experience that works for you, reducing the noise in your inbox so you can focus on what really matters, your projects. If you have any questions or if you run into any issues while following these steps, feel free to drop a comment below. I'm always here to help and would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, again, don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Happy managing!